Hi, Gabrielle. Thank you for your poem this week. I see that you used the first prompt about reflecting back. So, should I have included other experiences or did this fit the prompt? Are my stanzas organized well? I feel like that first question, it's really up to you what experiences you include in your poem. But I absolutely think that you fit that this fulfilled the prompt. And in terms of your stanzas being organized well, yes, I think they're organized well. I will say the poem really finds its stride when you start here. I was only 21 talking about, making sure you didn't have too much fun, and then this special person showed up in your life reminding you to find a balance of work and joy. I feel like that's really where the poem starts. I feel like the first six lines are just writing into it. So my recommendation moving forward would be to cut those first six lines, start the poem here, and then keep writing from there. Like write more about this special person, because that's really the meat of this poem. So I hope that helps. I do want to point out that next week is your final portfolio. So please review those requirements and let me know if you have any questions about it. Thank you.